Ngayong buntag, how do Visayan people say thank you? Well, there are many ways, but the most common is salamat. But people also say Daghang salamat. And some people also say Salamat kaayo. I repeat, the basic one is salamat. People also say Daghang salamat. And another option is Salamat kaayo. That's it for now. However, I want to familiarize some people with why Filipinos sometimes do not say thank you. It's because there's a belief or common notion that if you say thank you the first time somebody gives you something or somebody does you a favor, you will not be able to repeat the same favor again. So it's a common notion. That's why Filipinos are not really gracious when somebody says thank you to them, because they will also say, oh, if you say thank you now, you won't be able to ask the same thing or ask the same favor again. So just don't be surprised. Take it with a grain of salt, or at the same time, just be patient with Filipinos. That's all. Thank you.